Hi viewers, today we're going to be looking at the IPMT VBA financial function, which basically works out the number of interest payments or the interest payment amount. So first of all, as you can see from the spreadsheet, the interest rate is 0.10% and it's calculated as percentage. The period is the period we're calculating for. It could be the third year, it could be the third month. NPER is basically the number of periods, which is 20 periods or 20 years in this case. PV means the present value. Future value is going to be 0 at the end of the payment. The due type is basically saying, are we going to make the payment at the beginning or end of the financial year? So each payment is going to be made, or the payment is going to be made at the end of the financial year, which is 0, and 1 would mean the beginning of the financial year. So first of all, I'm going to click in cell G2, where the formula is going to enter, and then I'm going to click on the macros button because I've already created a VBA code for it earlier on. There it is, IPMT. Then I'm going to click on edit. So basically these are the comments, basically explaining that cell C2 basically is the interest rates. Cell B2 has the period of the loan payments. Cell C2 has the total number of payments. Cell D2 is the present value. Cell E2 has the future value. And cell F2 has a G type, which is 0. In my case, and cell G2 is where the formula is going to be entered. So first of all, I'm going to say basically I want to select the cell I'm going to input the formula into. So I'm going to say range bracket prod G2, which is a cell, dot formula R1C1. Formula R1C1 just means this cell, there's going to be a formula entered in this cell. Then you're going to say equals, and then you're going to select the cells you want to enter the formula for. So first of all, I'm going to type in IPMT, which is the formula function we're going to use. Open bracket. I'm going to say range. I'm going to go through the ranges as highlighted here from A2 to F2. Missed out a comma. That comma in, there we go. Now just check it out. Starting from the beginning, range G2 dot formula R1C1 equals IPMT, which is the financial formula for interest payments. Bracket range A2, comma range B2, comma range C2, comma range D2, comma range E2, comma range F2. Okay. Now I'm going to save that. Close it, save it again, and run the formula. So I'm going to go to the macros. I'm going to scroll down to the IPMT menu selection, click run. There you go, the formula's into there. So the IPMT for that period is basically minus 1.88. If you want to assign that to a button, you could delete that, and maybe underneath it somewhere in here, I could go to insert button, drag and drop it there, and assign the IPMT macro to it. Click in there and then click on the button. There you go, the calculation's gone in. And that's it really. That's all there is to it.